Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Skype ID link. So in order to do this, first of all, open a Skype application on your PC. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. So log into your Skype ID using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. On this page, click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. From this, you will see a list of options. You will see a Skype phone number, a Skype number, your manage section, settings and other tools available. You'll have to simply click on the Skype profile icon under manage and you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the share profile button at the top and you will see this copy to clipboard button. Simply click on this button and your Skype ID will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste this copied link to anywhere you want. So your Skype ID's link has been copied. You can navigate to any DM of your friends or your team members and paste this link to share your Skype ID. So that's how you share a Skype ID link. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.